In today's video, I'll be doing a review on long division using this 4-step method: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So first example, 488 divided by 23, and let's set it up the traditional way. The dividend 488 and the divisor 23. And when I'm doing long division, I usually like to make my tables for the times table for the divisor. So that is 23 times 1 is equal to 23. 23 times 2 is equal to 46. And 23 times 3 is equal to 69. And we can stop there for now. If we need more, we can continue. So let's begin. First step, divide. How many times can 23 go into 4? 0 time. How many times can 23 go into 48? Let's look at our tables. 2 times 23 is 46, and 3 times 23 is 69. So we're going to try 2. Next, we multiply. 2 times 23, 46. Next step, subtract. Next step, bring down. And we start the steps all over again. How many times can 23 go into 28? 23 times 1, 23, and 23 times 2, 46. So we try 1. Now we multiply 1 times 23, 23. And we subtract, and we get 5. And there are no more numbers to bring down. So that's our final answer. 488 divided by 23 is equal to 21 remainder 5. And our correct choice is B. Our second example, 8,460 divided by 20. So again, we're going to set it up the traditional way. $8,460, the dividend, and the divisor 20. And even though 20 is an easy number to work with, let's still set up a little table over here. 20 times 1 equals 20. 20 times 2 equals 40. 20 times 3 equals 60. And 20 times 4 equals 80. Just have it there as a reminder so that we can move along very quickly. Okay, so let's begin with the steps. First, divide. How many times can 20 go into 8? 0 time. How many times can 20 go into 84? Let's look at our tables, and we see 20 times 4 is 80. So let's, to be on the safe side, let's do 20 times 5, and that is equal to 100. And so we are sure that 20, how many times can 20 go into 84? We're going to try 4. Next, we multiply. 4 times 20, 80. And next we subtract. We have 4 And next we bring down. And we start the steps again. How many times can 20 go into 46? Look at our tables. And we know we tried 2 because 3 times is too large. So 2 times. And then next step we multiply. 2 times 20, 40. And next step we subtract, and that is 6. And the next step is bring down. How many times can 20 go into 60? And that is 3 times, exactly 3 times. 3 times 20, 60. Subtract, and we have nothing remaining. And there are no more numbers to bring down. So our correct answer, final answer, 423. 8,460 divided by 20 is equal to 423. And our correct choice is D. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And please check out my channel for more step-by-step problem-solving videos.